Hey, what's going on? Happy Friday. Hopefully everybody's having a pretty good day today. Not too bad for me. Hey, you know what? Honda. I was a little rough on that Honda CRF450L in the beginning, but I tell you what, some new stuff just came out for that bike, and I'll tell you what, pretty cool. We're going to talk about it next.
Hey, what is happening? Happy Friday. Hopefully everybody, the week is good. Man, I tell you what, the seasons are changing. Thank goodness. I cannot tell you how nice it is right now here in Dallas-Fort Worth. All you ATGAT guys, move on down the bench, mini-me. I got my gloves, I got my helmet. Everything else is fantastic in my world. 77 degrees here in Dallas-Fort Worth. It is so nice out. I cannot tell you how nice it is. I've been waiting for this. It's getting to be riding season. It gets pretty toasty here in Dallas-Fort Worth, but you know it's like everything, man. Everything comes in waves. That's just the way it is. Well, hopefully your week has been good this week. Mine's not bad. Don't forget, always hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the bell. Make sure that you're notified on everything that we do and be part of the 690 ADV. Hey, if you think this is going to be a 30-second video with information, we're going to cram it out, and you're some super mega video maker, just leave now. It gets real old with these people that think you can make a video in 30 seconds and give any information. But anyway, I want to give a shout out to all of our subscribers, everybody that tunes in and comments every single week. Thank you so much. I mean, I cannot tell you, it means really a lot to me, and things are still not normal as much as everybody likes to think it is. It's not. With the COVID and everything, it's still a little jacked up around here. But anyway, on to the video. I don't want to beat that in too much, but you know what, the Honda 450, the CRF450L, I think I was a little harsh on it. My eyes got opened up a little bit. My buddy Chip Monahan, you've heard him on my podcast. We've got some more coming. He's got a lot going on. Matter of fact, he's out in it. He is having a blast. I've been checking out all of his photos and stuff, and he's really having a good time. And, yeah, but the 450L, the CRF from Honda, he got a chance to ride one, and he really opened my eyes a lot to that bike. And he basically said, hey, you know what, Joe, you need to really give that bike a chance. He goes, I get it. You're a KTM guy, and you ride KTM. You do have a Honda 250 CRF. He goes, but that 450, brother, he goes, it is smooth. It is nice. And he goes, I'm telling you right now, compared to my 500, he goes, man, I don't know. He goes, it's a sweet bike, man. He goes, it's right up your alley. So I trust him, and I'm 100% behind him, so I think I am going to go out and give that bike a test ride just to see, because I'd like a bike around that 450, 500cc to get that weight down. Could be the bike. I don't know. I think it's a little pricey. But anyway, I don't know if you've seen this or not, but there is a company out there that is making a rally kit for that bike, and I don't know if you've seen that or not, but it's very cool. You're going to see some pics on screen. That bike looks straight up sexy. It looks nice, and it really transforms that bike into a rally style bike. And I think that, in the price, I'm going to basically get that price out here just a little bit, but I can tell you right now, with the pricing of it, it's not bad. It's a lot cheaper than a lot of the other rally kits that are out there. And I can tell you right now, you're probably going to like it. So, the company that's making this kit is Rebel X. And that kit comes with some pretty cool features, because the KTM 690, to turn it into a rally type bike, man, it'll run you about $3,000. This is a fraction of that. The cool thing is that it looks like a full-blown, it kind of looks like the Dakar Rally winner, Ricky Brayback. It looks a lot like his bike. It's not, I'm not saying that that's going to turn your bike into that, but it sure is cool, and it'll be a lot of fun to get out in it with those looks on that bike. But the kit comes with better wind protection. It's got a nice high-end screen in the front, which is really, really cool. Comes with a bunch of new mounts for GPS and all that stuff. It's got the actual, just like the rally bikes in the front, basically the bracket that holds on your GPS. They do the roll maps, stuff like that, which you're not going to do that, but it sure looks neat. A lot of plug and play wiring harnesses. It's got some USB, a 4-way fuse box, and I mean a tons of stuff that is going to basically upgrade that bike. Not so much that you're going to get a full-blown rally bike, but it'll feel like a rally bike. At least to you it will. You know, it's made in Italy, so you know that it's built really pretty good. You know, new lights. There's some add-on features too, like a new tank that you'll be able to put onto there. And upgrade it from a 2-gallon tank to a 3.5-gallon tank, or a 3.1, so you're going to get like a gallon more of fuel. But overall, it's not so much that, it just kind of upgrades that bike from a standardized bike to really adventurize it and make it cool. Now, Rebel X, they don't just do for the 450L, the CRF, they also do it for KTM, Husky, and other models too. But that kit, if you look on screen and if you look over, you'll see all the add-ons that come to that. It's not a ton, but it sure makes that bike look super sexy. It's like $1,700 US. Man, that ain't that bad. I hate to break the news to you. That's pretty cheap, because the KTM Rally kit is about $3,000 when you get the 2 tanks. Now, granted, you're going to be able to get a lot more fuel and stuff, but with that Rally kit for the Honda CRF450L, it's going to keep that weight down, and it's going to look cool. It's going to be very adventurized, and it's going to look really, really neat. So if you own a Honda CRF450L and you haven't seen this, go check them out. I'm going to put their website on screen. And yeah, that Rebel X, man, pretty neat stuff, man. It looks like pretty good gear to put on your Honda CRF450L. And it's a Honda too, so you know. KTM never disappoints. But the Honda 450L, it's really makes that bike look sweet. And like I said, my buddy Chip Monahan opened up my eyes a little bit. I'm going to give that bike a chance. I want to look at it. And I think over time that Honda is going to really improve that bike, up the maintenance intervals, and get it to where it's a little bit more for the street, but yet light enough to get off-road. And I think if they could do that, that bike will really be super fantastic and amazing. But anyway, the Rebel X kit to turn your CRF 450L into a rally bike, man, look at that thing on screen. It is straight up sexy. And it's $1,700. Almost anybody can afford that. Hey, I appreciate you. Thanks for stopping in on our Friday. Don't forget, hit that subscribe, give us a thumbs up, be part of the channel. We sure would like you to be part of it. Get out, find your adventure, be safe. 690 out.